Hey guys, welcome. I'm Birch. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at the VEXELS. It's a platform, it's a website where you can actually create your designs for print on demand. They have some amazing tools and AI on their platform. I'm gonna show you how to use them, and it can help you really create a cool print on demand designs, and so much more is there on their platform. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. I'm gonna leave the link of the VEXEL in the description box below. You can very well check the VEXEL platform. It's an affiliate link. If you subscribe to any of their plan, I'm gonna receive a small percentage commission. That's it, without any extra cost to you. So if you want to go with the VEXEL, and then make sure you check my link that is in description box below. Anyway, let's dive in with this video. Today we're going to take a look at the VEXELS. I have a link in the description box if you want to check the VEXELS for print on demand, for creating your designs, and they have so much on their platform. I have already made a video about the VEXELS, I think a few months back, I don't really remember. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. If you're totally new to the VEXEL, you don't know, that video will going to help you. Anyways, you could very well sign in. Now I haven't signed up into my platform. I'll do a little bit later. But you got the template designs. You can create the templates. Like, there is so much more. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the design tools, like what they have. The first is a t-shirt maker. The second is the mock-up generator, code generator, and logo maker. So we're gonna take a look at these because these are the new things that. So you can create the logo, and you can use the logo for creating your Zazzle templates, like Zazzle designs or any kind of designs. So for example, if I want to create a logo, I can write here red, blue, white, star. Okay, let's see what it's gonna create. What's your logo for? My logo is for art. Okay, artist. Okay, you can create a print on demand, seller, entrepreneur, whatever. You're looking for art logos under the name red, blue, white, star. Choose a template or start from scratch. So you can use the templates they already have, or you could actually start from scratch. So you can see the templates, and they're pretty interesting. I like this one. Quite a lot they have. I like this one and this one, but I want to go with this one. Wow. So such a cool. You can see how amazing this platform is. Like, you get the templates, you can create your own logo, and cool. Now you can change the color. So if I'm gonna select this, and I can go to the color section, and it's yellow, I can change it to blue. Boom. And pink, I can change it to green. Wow. And here, orange, I can change to blue. And this one would be green. Okay, that was just coming in my mind, that's why I created this one. Now obviously you can choose whichever one you would like to choose. I'm gonna choose a black, not kind of like a grayish. So you can see we have changed the color for this. You also got the color palettes here that you can use. Then they have is the featured graphic, decor elements, background, and strips. Like, you can search the graphics here. So for example, if I want to search a graphic for art, so I'm gonna search a red star, red, blue, white star. That was coming in my mind. Now these are, wow, you got a lot of the stars. You also get the map. So if you want to create a travel templates or travel designs, you get the map here, and you can use it anyway. So you got a lot of the stars here, a lot of the options. I like this one, so I'm gonna use this. So you can see we have substituted that with the star. Or if you don't like it, you can go way back. This is a mirror option. Vertical align, horizontal align. These are the colors, and you can start again as well. I've already covered about the plans, but if you want to try this VEXEL out, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Check out the VEXEL, and it's an affiliate link, guys, so I'm going to receive a small percentage commission if you decide to subscribe to their any plan, or you pay for any kind of a plan or whatever. Let's move further. So we got the text as well. You can wrap around, okay, but like you can see the different text that you can have. This is the wraparound, but I don't need this one, so I'm gonna delete this one. What if I select this one and I change the arch and I keep the star here and this here? I like it. Okay, I need to do it again. Okay, and I can, okay, it's here. Okay, let me click over here. Okay. Then we got layers, like we have the different layers. The second one is the mockup generator. Guys, you're looking for creating a mockup for your products on Zazzle, because if you're selling on a Zazzle, few months back, I think a year or so, maybe they started with the media manager option, like you can upload your own mockup for the products. So you can use the VEXEL for mockup maker, especially the t-shirt maker. And you could also use that for selling your print-on-demand products anywhere, even if you're selling on Amazon or Etsy, it will be helpful, even on your own website, wherever. So this is like a t-shirt maker, okay? So you can use this mockup for creating the t-shirts designs, and you got the different options over here. Now depending on the plan, obviously you got a lot of the different options that you could choose from. These are the free and these have the plans, and then you can choose a tea color, you can choose the background, you can search the templates. For example, if you want to create a t-shirt design using a template, you can use this one too. This one is AI art generator. You have to log in. If you are a free user, you have 5 free generations. That's amazing. Okay, we got the graphics, text, color, upload, layers, and saved. So if I use, for example, this, I can decrease the size and adjust it here, and I can change its color. Let me see. Yeah. So instead of the yellow, I can pick up blue. Instead of the red, I could pick up yellow, or maybe orange. Okay. Instead of black, I could choose this color, or maybe brown color a little bit. And instead of this color, I can choose yellow. Or you can reset. You can see how you can change the color of the templates. You can mask the image. You can see the effects that they have. Like you can change the effects. You can make it pixelated, rasterize it like this, and you can see how it's looking in the pixelated. You can create the pixelated one. You got the different options of the effects over here. So I'm just gonna go with the no effect for now. And you can mask the image. I select, for example, this. Okay. I'm gonna keep it here. I don't know, guys. I'm just playing around with this design. I have no idea. I'm just gonna tilt a little bit. This side a little bit, and then I'm gonna change its color. I'm gonna change this to brown, and this to blue color, this to yellow. And now if I go for masking, I can click on the mask image, and then you got the different masking options away. This is amazing. This is great. Create the designs. For example, I can create this, and you can see the design is being masked. You can add the mask here, and like you can see the size, like how it's gonna work like that. It's a little bit different, but then you can play around with the idea. Now let's see it done. And it's kind of like a masking. You can use other effects. I like this feature. This is a mask shape. I can also have this or this. And if I mask image, then you can upload the image, or you can use they have one here, like if I use this one, you can see how it's actually looking here. It's looking so different. Now I'm gonna go to back, this like it's on top. I'm gonna remove the mask, and that design is totally removed. So you can see that you can play around with that and you can download this. Interesting feature if you wanna get even more mock-up for your designs. So if you want to remove the watermark, you can see the watermark, you need to get the premium plan, and you can see the different mock-ups that they have on the right. Like you can use this one. See, this looks real, right? And your image will be here. This is like really extra diving into the mock-ups, and I like this one. And then you can upload your image, you can change the color. Like there is so much that you can do over here. You can change the filter, so that's also great. The last one we're gonna see is first AI code generator for March. So if you want to generate a code, if you want to create a text-based design, then this is a perfect for you, especially the people who want to create very simple basic designs, text-based design, code-based or message-based design. This is perfect. You can create codes and you can watch their video about it. Like you can see how it's gonna work. You can search your niche and choose one from the gallery. You can also select the tone of the code, copy your code and use in your merch product, see what's our users think. So it's pretty interesting. Let's try it out. So for that we need to log in, so I'm gonna quickly log in. So I have logged in now. So you can see how this AI generator look like for generating the codes. You can choose from the niche over here, that they got so many different niches: random, firemen, alien, vegans, teachers, doctors, animals, family. I'm gonna try an alien, right? And then you got what kind of mood or length you want. You want cynical, funny, motivational, romantic, sad, sarcastic. I want it to be a funny. So alien combined with the funny. You can see how you can use this code generator to get your own codes, and you can see it generated the codes. Aliens do it better. I believe in aliens. Take me to Mars. I'm friends with aliens. Alien invasion party. Out of this now. It's pretty interesting, right? If I just go back and try it out again. This time we're gonna select something different. I'm just gonna deselect this, and we can deselect the alien as well. Let's try with maybe something that's not here. Okay, these are the popular niches that they are suggesting you, but if you want to use something different, then you can use it. Let me try for Christmas. If you want to create a Christmas design, it's a perfect time for creating Christmas design. You want a coat. So what do you want? What kind of mood do you want? Funny, motivational, romantic, sad, sarcastic, jingle all the way. Merry and bright, ho ho ho, just the season, let it snow. Not just for text-based design, you can use these codes for any kind of designs. Even you can have a text with the illustration, with the picture. You can use these codes for Zazzle. You can also use for Redbubble, Teepublic. It comes handy for anything and everything. You can see, copy them, or you would be like, click over to here, more like this. So whichever code you like, you can click over to that, more like this, and then it will going to generate even more codes related to that, and you can simply copy them and paste them. Okay, I have actually a subscription for VEXELS, so that's why you can see when I sign in, I have access to all their stuffs because I have a premium plan. So I can upload image here and I can put it here and change the color. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Your questions and comments are really welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.